Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements right now. Today is October 31st, 2018. We're looking at 54 degrees for a high, which is actually right now. It's going to get colder as the day goes on. When you go out trick-or-treating, it looks like it's going to be about 42 degrees. There's 100% chance of rain right now, but it should end just in time for the parade at 11 o'clock. Our PBIS expectation for the week has been the hallway and stairs. Yesterday we talked about being safe. Today we'll talk about being responsible. In order to be responsible in the hallway, you are in a single file line. You're going directly to your location, and you're maintaining a voice level of a 0. That includes when we are going in and out from recess. I know you're excited, but we got to make sure that we're doing that. The noise level as you're coming in and out from recess is unacceptable, especially considering how close we are to the office. And remember, the office is a place for business. Remember to also be respectful. We'll talk more about that tomorrow. Some staff announcements this morning. Reminder that today is a half day. We will dismiss at 11:58. Teachers, please make sure that you know the location of your PD as well as the timing of it. November 9th is a half day for students. It is the end of our first trimester. We will not have specials on that day. There will not be a student council meeting this afternoon because of the half day. Lunch today, it is a bagged lunch. I don't know if you're going to be able to get some crunchy baby carrots today. I apologize for that. Tomorrow's lunch, though, we are looking at grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup, banana, get those crunchy baby carrots, and, of course, your choice of milk. Special announcements. Donuts delivery will take place before 9:30 this morning, thanks to our student council. Our Penny Wars, we had a tremendous amount of change that came in as a part of that fundraiser. You guys did an amazing job. In third place was our third grade students. Fourth place was... So why did a world did I do that? Anyways, second place is fourth grade. I don't know why I did that. And then first place was our fifth grade Voyagers. Their Voyager bucks and their Halloween treats will be delivered this morning before 10:30. Congratulations to our fifth grade, in particular to all of our Voyagers for doing a tremendous job with that. Also, when we look yesterday, we were able to give out a ton of costumes. We still have a few left. If you have teachers, if you have students who need them, they can come down to the cafeteria and we can give them one. But we're also asking again for call, which is costumes for Woodrow. The STEAM Academy of Woodrow Wilson is collecting new or gently used costumes for our students. Donations can be made at the school or at the Raven Cafe through November 21st. So we would really appreciate it. Students, if you have any costumes you would like to donate, or if you know people who would like to donate some costumes, having them donate them either here or through the Raven Cafe. All right, we'll go through this real quick. All right, and last but not least, of course, is the Pledge of Allegiance. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our announcements. Please make sure that you're doing things the Voyager way. We look forward to a fantastic parade. If the weather doesn't clear, we'll have the parade in the gymnasium. Again, teachers, if you have any students that are in need of a costume, we still have plenty of costumes down in the cafeteria. Please send them down around 8:30, 8:35 so that we can get them fitted for a costume. We really appreciate that. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyager.